Okay guys, so for your assignment you are required to download this testdbmaster.zip file. Once it's downloaded you can unzip it. Mine's here in the downloads folder. I unzip it and we'll notice that we have several folders in or several files in this folder. Okay, so I connect to my local instance, I put in my password. And see this testdbmaster, there's a whole load of files in it. So first of all we have to create a database or a schema, and we're going to call it employees. And then we'll click on apply and then apply again, and then we can close that. Okay, so I'm going to set this as default. And then I'm going to go to file and I'm going to run a script which is in this folder. So I dragged it there so that I get the location, and I'm going to run this employees.sql script, and then from my default schema name I need to choose employees. Now this might take a while because this is actually quite a large database. I think there's a couple of million records in this. So you should get 2 green boxes, and I'm going to refresh this, and now I should have some tables there. Okay, I'm going to do a quick query on departments, and we'll have a look at the results. Yeah, and just make sure these are all in there, and it looks like it's all there. Okay, if you just look at that window, you should have a operation completed successfully in the Run SQL script window.